Hey guys, it's your dating expert from Kamalifestyles, Annabella Rose. For the longest time, guys have been asking me how you can approach and pick up girls who you've only just met. When you approach a woman you like, the first impression is so crucial. However, the first impression is usually based on what a girl can see. But the first impression is just the tip of the iceberg. You have to talk your way into her mind, into her heart, and into her life. This is where it comes in that you need to be a trusted dater. Talking your way into her heart is simplified and made very, very easy by a program that we've created. I introduced to you a Kamalifestyles original, the Conversation Mastery Program. This program covers, does anxiety and not knowing what to say always prevent you from approaching women? Do you sometimes run out of things to say during a conversation, like, what woman would talk to me? Do you feel like your ideas are not fully expressed? Well, if you agree with any of those statements that I just made, then I have just asked all the right questions, and it's good news for you. The Conversation Mastery Program is designed for somebody like you. Conversation Mastery is a skill that all alpha males know that is vital to their success. I mean, you can conquer the world with just having the right words. That means that you can bounce back from a lousy situation smoothly without making things worse or panic with anxiety. I've been successfully training men and writing dating books for years now. And through my experience, I know that men who have mastered the art of conversations pretty much always get their way. I also learned that most men don't have conversation mastery as much as they would like, while some even don't know that they lack this skill. I always say that the first step to solving a problem is to admit that it exists. One exciting thing about alpha males is that they will always look for ways to make themselves better and sharpen their skills. You are an alpha male, even if you don't feel like it right now. Conversation Mastery Program is a structure to take 14 hours spread over 8 weeks. Now, within this period, you will interact with Kamalifestyles dating coaches who are going to take you through the journey to the conversation enlightenment. This program has been running for years now, and the success is really impressive. Clients who take this program come out of this refined, sharpened communication skill and conversation skill that you can really use across your entire life. You'll have the chance to make yourself simply irresistible to women and get the women that you want. The objective of this program is to teach you how to start and build up an engaging conversation, how not to run out of things to say, how to recapture lost interest in a conversation, how to use body language to inspire passion and enthusiasm, how to talk to women to build attraction, bridging conversations, how to identify conversation hooks, how to close a conversation like a pro. Each week, you're going to tackle a new phase and perform new exercises to build up and sharpen your conversation skills. You will have the designated dating coaches until you complete the program. We value your success more than the time it takes you to do it. That's why we have unlimited phone and email support during this course. This course will be more exciting each and every week because you'll move on to those intricate techniques those alpha males use to make conversations simply flawless and oh so captivating. Here is the exciting part. Now you can sign up for a tester session with me to test your Conversation Mastery Program. I've never really done this before, so we're trialing it and giving it a go. As you know, our courses are all packaged. Now, I'm going to work with you on the very first session and make sure that you have an idea what you can get from this program and show you the course material. In other words, I'm going to give you a little sneak peek and a taster session at a really reasonable price so you can come and test, dip your toe in and make a decision actually based on the program with a little bit more knowledge. If it's not, hey, no hard feelings, just walk away. If you like it, then you can sign up for the full course and your changes will be oh so instant. It really will change your life after the very first session. And there's so much more to have. We'll do a sample session and consult you that will help us personalize the program just for you. Most skill enhancing programs fail because they don't factor in the client's needs as an individual. There is an option of taking the Conversation Mastery program through Skype if you live outside the UK as well. So guys, I do have to balance my hours with all the amazing men who are also taking on this full-time program. Therefore, I'm only going to give 5 tester sessions. Therefore, it is a limited session grab. So grab it while you can before someone else takes it. After this session, if you like the program, you can then sign up for the full program. So there you have it, guys. Please click on the link below to sign up for that tester session. Remember, there's only 5 places going. I hope to see you soon.